Here's how to fix Windows freezing quickly. Step 1. Restart Windows in safe mode. Press Windows plus I to open Settings, then go to System, Recovery, Advanced Startup, Restart Now. After the PC restarts, select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, Restart. Once restarted, press 4 for Safe Mode or 5 for Safe Mode with networking. Safe Mode loads only essential drivers, which helps troubleshoot freezing issues. Step 2. Run System File Scanner, SFC scan. Press Windows plus S, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type SFC/Scan Now and press Enter. Windows will scan for corrupted system files and repair them automatically. Wait for the scan to complete. It may take a few minutes. Once finished, a summary of repairs will be displayed. After completing these steps, Windows should run more smoothly without freezing. Subscribe for more professional Windows fixes.